Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device. Charge it above half and join a Wi-Fi network or enable cellular. Once done, power on the iPhone and step through language, region, and data transfer prompts. Make sure to select Setup manually if you want full control. Quick Start can push updates automatically. You need to reach the Apple ID and software update screens, so proceed through the essential first screens now, because skipping the update option appears during the system's setup flow. Now focus on the critical middle steps. When the installer prompts you to update iOS, look for Skip, Not Now, or Set Up Later in Settings and select it. That defers installation. If restoring or transferring data, choose Transfer Directly or Transfer Without Updating when offered, which preserves your current setup flow. Make sure you sign into your Apple ID and configure Face ID, passcode, and basic privacy options. These let you finish setup without forcing the new iOS immediately. To complete the task, finish the remaining prompts and confirm settings. Once you land on the home screen, open Settings General Software Update to install on your schedule. If the setup process forces an update, restart the phone and repeat the manual setup route. Sometimes a fresh reboot clears the enforced flow. Finally, always back up to iCloud or your computer before installing iOS. This protects your data if the update fails, which is the single most important troubleshooting safeguard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.